Imagine you walk into a restaurant. The waiter speaks fast English and you freeze. You don't know what to say. Sound familiar? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say to order food in English like a confident, natural speaker, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Practice English with AR, the podcast where you learn real, easy English for everyday life. I'm AR. And if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, because every week I share simple English conversations you can actually use. Today's topic is super practical ordering food at a restaurant. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just practicing for fun, this lesson will help you feel confident the next time you sit down at a restaurant.
Here's what we'll do. First, I'll teach you 10 keywords and phrases. Then, you'll hear a full conversation between a customer and a waiter. After that, we'll break down the important phrases together. And finally, you'll get to practice speaking out loud with me. Ready? Let's start with the vocabulary. Let's preview 10 words you'll hear in today's conversation. Repeat after me. Reservation. A booking for a table made in advance. I have a reservation for 2 people. Menu. The list of food and drinks. Can I see the menu, please? Recommend. To suggest something good. What do you recommend? Appetizer. A small dish before the main meal. We'll start with an appetizer. Main course. The biggest dish of the meal. For my main course, I'll have the salmon. Medium rare. A way to cook meat a little pink inside. I'd like my steak medium rare. Side dish. An extra small dish with the meal. Can I get fries as a side dish? Check/bill. The paper showing how much to pay. Could we get the check, please? To go/takeaway. Food you take with you, not eat there. Can I get this to go? Allergic. Having a bad body reaction to food. I'm allergic to peanuts. Great job. Keep those words in mind. Now let's hear them in a real conversation.
Good evening. Welcome to Riverside Grill. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. Yes, a reservation for 2, under the name Anna.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. Right this way, please. Here is your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, could I have a glass of water and an iced tea, please?
Of course. I'll be right back to take your order. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is very popular, and the chicken pasta is also a favorite.
That sounds great. I'll start with the soup as an appetizer. And for my main course, I'll have the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. Would you like a side dish with that? We have rice, fries, or steamed vegetables.
I'll have the steamed vegetables, please.
Perfect. And is there anything you're allergic to, or any food you can't eat?
No allergies, thank you.
Great. I'll put that order in right away.
Excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Of course, right away. Was everything okay tonight?
Yes, it was delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Here's your check. You can pay by card or cash.
I'll pay by card, thanks.
Perfect. Thank you, and have a great evening.
Now let's break down some of the most useful phrases from that conversation, so you can use them yourself. 1. Do you have a reservation? This is the first question a waiter often asks. If you booked a table, say, yes, a reservation for number people, under the name, your name. If you didn't book, simply say, no, we don't. Do you have a table for 2? 2. What do you recommend? This is a fantastic phrase when you're not sure what to order. It shows confidence and it's very natural. Native speakers use this all the time. 3. I'll have the / I'll start with. This is the most common way to order food. Notice we use I'll have, not I want. I want can sound a little impolite in English. I'll have or could I get are more polite. 4. Could we get the check, please? This is how you politely ask for the bill at the end of the meal. You can also say, can we have the bill, please? More common in British English. Notice the pattern. In English, we add words like please, could, and would you to sound polite. This is very important in restaurant English.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me out loud. Ready? Could I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the grilled salmon. Could we get the check, please? It was delicious, thank you. Great job. Speaking out loud, even alone, really helps your pronunciation and confidence.
Let's do a quick recap. I'll ask a question. Try to answer before I give the answer. Question 1. How do you politely ask what the waiter suggests? Answer. What do you recommend? Question 2. How do you ask for the bill? Answer. Could we get the check, please? Question 3. What's a polite way to start an order instead of I want? Answer. I'll have or could I get? Awesome work. You now know how to confidently order food in English. That's it for today's lesson. If this helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for new English conversation lessons every week. Drop a comment below and try writing your own restaurant sentence. I'll reply to as many as I can. Next time, we'll learn English conversation for the airport, so don't miss it. Thanks for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.